Guys, I got baby Melissa here, and I got some P.O. box mail. She's just being so cuddly. Cute. I've got some cards and 2 of these kind of packages. And then I have a big box, but I'm going to open that in another video. She's so cute. Hello, kitty cats. I open up the cards. Okay, so this first card is from Ruby's Reborns. She sent me stuff before, so I know what her name and YouTube name is. Aww, it's a kitty cat in a bag. That's so cute. Hi, Max. You want to sit on my lap? Baby Melissa in your spot.